gedeelte waar hy sê, surely goodness and mercy. Ons gaan dit vir mekaar sê. Jy spreek die seën oor jou medebroer, jou medesuster. Can we say that? Surely goodness and mercy shall follow you all the days of your life, and you shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. Amen.
When I dignified you.